time to run out of ammo.
Right, just gotta hold on. This can't happen! I cannot be defeated!
I'm out!
Hey, over here!
There he is. Find some cover.
I smell the acrid stench of organic life forms! It'll help! I can take this!
I better find some nanotech.
That's it! You all saw it! President Quark failed the mighty beast!
Someone want to get Fatty McMouth breather and oxygen mask? I'm not gonna carry him if he passes out.
Ratchet? Ratchet? Yeah, pal? I believe I may have found something. What you got?
Hollow Diary, entry 005. They came during the night. Hundreds of them, and they attacked without warning. I stood atop Zuzo Fields and watched in horror as Commander Spog and his armies lay waste to Uzo City. Through ribbons of fire, I saw my creation, bloated and terrible, a deadly moon hanging silently amongst the destruction. Ephemerus. What plans does my enemy have for this ark? I can't explain it, but I feel as if some dark fate haunts us all from the future. And Ephemerus is the key. These things will not stop with madness. We are simply the first steps. And I, Dr. Frumpus Croyd, cannot shake the feeling that it was my work that made it possible.
According to this Hollow Journal, whoever is controlling Ephemerus has a plan for these monsters. Ratchet, I have a bad feeling about this. We must find Commander Spog at once.
Extraterrestrial Sorting Terminal, or NEST.
This must be where Commander Spog tags and redistributes creatures around Magnus.
Stay on alert, rookies. You're on his home turf now. Looking to deliver a high-powered knuckle sandwich? Then try the Blitzer, a new weapon that makes you the projectile.
Using more than one pair of blitzers will trigger a massive shockwave. The Critter Strike is the latest in molecular reconfiguration. It turns deadly enemies into harmless creatures.
Focusing multiple critter strikes on the same enemy will create a powerful transmogrifying blast.
If you find yourself outnumbered by enemies, try deploying a Mr. Zircon. This lovable robot protector will destroy anything that attacks you.
Deploying multiple Mr. Zircons will inspire teamwork amongst the Synthenoids, making them even deadlier.
No arsenal would be complete without a Kerchu flamethrower.